how to make a Google form in Google Classroom or in Google Chrome. So subscribe and click that bell icon on for more updates like this. So just click on the dots here and click on Forms. So this will direct you to this site, and you can see templates, but we can also create a blank one. So here we could see that there are different options. You can also change the title of your Google Forms. So we will be naming it as test. And then you can also put questions here below. And as well as add some options to the questions. So you can add another question by clicking the plus icon, and you can change the type of question into short ones, and then you can also choose paragraphs, upload files, and drop down answers. You can also change if the response is required or not. Just like this one, you can add like a file one where the students or your respondents can add files. So this will be directed or connected to your Google Drive. So that's it. And you can also see here the responses and the settings. So just click on save and just click or choose whatever method you want to share it with. So you can also choose the link, copy it, and send it to your respondent so they can answer it. So thank you for watching, guys.